The benefits of EVs go far beyond the environment. No tailpipe emissions means cleaner air and healthier cities. As renewables power the grid, EVs get even greener. Electricity is cheaper than petrol. Charging at home slashes fuel bills. Maintenance is minimal. Fewer moving parts. No oil changes. Brakes last longer. Instant torque delivers thrilling acceleration and smooth, silent power. The quiet cabin makes every drive more relaxing. Governments offer tax credits, rebates, and perks like free parking or HOV lane access. Add up the incentives and savings, and EVs can cost less to own than petrol cars. It's a smart financial and ethical choice. The switch to electric is a win-win. The road to an all-electric future isn't without bumps. Upfront costs are still higher, though prices are falling fast. Charging access is a challenge for rural residents and those without private parking. Expanding public charging is crucial for widespread adoption. Battery production raises environmental and ethical concerns, mining impacts and labor issues. The industry is developing new chemistries and investing in recycling. End-of-life batteries are valuable. Recycling recovers materials for new batteries. Creating a closed-loop system is key for sustainability. Overcoming these challenges will make EVs accessible and truly green. The journey is ongoing, but the destination is worth it. The electric car is more than a new technology, it's a movement. It's a symbol of how we're reimagining our relationship with transportation, energy, and the environment. Every time someone chooses an electric vehicle, they're joining a growing community that's passionate about making a difference, not just for themselves, but for everyone around them. We're shifting from burning fuel to plugging into a smart, connected grid. Charging at home or at work is becoming as routine as charging your phone, and it's changing the way we think about mobility. The convenience of plugging in, the quiet hum of an electric motor, these are the new sounds and rhythms of daily life. EVs are part of a bigger energy ecosystem, integrating with renewables and even feeding power back to the grid. Imagine a world where your car helps store solar energy during the day and powers your home at night. This is the future we're building, one where clean energy and smart technology work hand in hand. Your car could help balance the energy network, not just get you from A to B. With vehicle-to-grid technology, electric cars become active players in our energy landscape, supporting the grid during peak times and making our entire system more resilient. This is about building a cleaner, quieter, more sustainable world. Electric vehicles reduce noise and air pollution, making our cities healthier and more enjoyable for everyone. Imagine streets where you can hear birdsong instead of engine noise, and where the air feels fresher with every breath. Automakers are all in, innovation is rapid, and the cars keep getting better. Engineers and designers are pushing boundaries, creating vehicles that are not only efficient but also exciting to drive. The choices are expanding, from compact city cars to powerful SUVs, making it easier than ever to find an EV that fits your lifestyle. What was once niche is now mainstream, reshaping cities and lives. Electric vehicles are everywhere, from taxis and buses to family cars, transforming how we move and connect. They're making sustainable transportation accessible to more people every day. The silent revolution is about a better future, cleaner air, smarter tech, and new possibilities. It's about rethinking what's possible for our neighborhoods, our cities, and our planet. It's about our children breathing easier and our cities thriving. It's about creating spaces where families can flourish and where the next generation can grow up surrounded by innovation and hope. The electric car is a symbol of optimism and progress. It represents our collective commitment to a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow and the belief that together we can drive real change. The future of the automobile is here, and it's electric. This is just the beginning of a journey that will redefine how we live, move, and care for our world. Egypt's smart car revolution is led by a new wave of all-electric vehicles. These cars combine advanced tech with the benefits of electric power, quiet, clean, and cost-effective. The government is supporting this shift with more charging stations and incentives. Meet the MG ZS EV, BYD Atto 3, and Hyundai Kona Electric, three standout models on Egyptian roads. Each offers a unique blend of style, features, and range, making smart driving accessible to more people. They're practical, family-friendly, and packed with technology. For the first time, Electric cars are a real, exciting alternative to petrol and diesel. These models are changing the game, proving the future of motoring is here. In the next sections, we'll dive into what makes each one special. Get ready to meet the new heroes of Egypt's roads. First up, the MG ZS EV, a compact SUV that's perfect for Egyptian families. It's spacious, easy to drive in the city, and loaded with smart tech at an affordable price. MG's Pilot Suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping, and emergency braking. Inside, you get a big touchscreen, digital displays, and even a panoramic sunroof on higher trims. The long-range model offers up to 440 kilometers on a single charge, enough for a week of city driving or a Cairo-Alexandria round trip. No more range anxiety, just practical, everyday electric driving. The ZS EV makes switching to electric easy. No compromises on space, features, or convenience. It's a smart, sensible choice for families ready to embrace the future. Affordable, practical, and ready for anything Egypt's roads throw at it. The MG ZS EV is leading the charge. Next, the BYD Auto 3, a stylish, tech-forward SUV with real personality. Its unique design and rotating touchscreen make it stand out, while BYD's Blade battery ensures safety and durability. Packed with 8S features and a 360-degree camera, parking and city driving are a breeze. With over 420 kilometers of range, it's as practical as it is cool. Then there's the Hyundai Kona Electric, trusted, efficient, and compact. Its bold design, smart tech, and long-range capability, up to 480 kilometers, make it perfect for city life and longer trips. The Kona's user-friendly interior and proven reliability set it apart. Whether you want style, tech, or maximum range, there's a smart electric car for you. These models prove that electric cars can be fun, practical, and ready for Egypt. The future is stylish, smart, and electric. Smart electric cars are no longer a dream, they're Egypt's new reality. They solve real problems, easing traffic stress, improving safety, and cleaning up city air. Technology is evolving fast, bringing us closer to cars that drive themselves and communicate with the city. As more Egyptians switch to electric, the impact on air quality and quality of life will be huge. Imagine a quieter, cleaner Cairo. Less noise, less pollution, more peace of mind. With renewable energy on the rise, electric cars will only get greener. The smart car revolution is about building a safer, cleaner, and more enjoyable future for everyone. The journey has begun, and the road ahead looks bright. Egypt's driving future is smarter, greener, and full of promise.